Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Adil Shahir. I hope you all are fine. Live your life happily. Today we are starting from a little but English story. Once upon a time, there are famous saying that once a lion was accidentally born into the flock of sheep. As you can say that his mother is forget about him and just gave him birth into the flock of sheep, and just after that he lost her mother, and then he finally adopt this environment. So he fleet like a sheep, he sleep with the sheep, he eat like a sheep and just eating grass until he eats meat or other things. But as compared to, you can say that he just completely spent his life as the sheep, and he completely considered himself he is in a sheep family. But once he listened from his elders that if an attack of lion is possible, or if the line of the attack is happen on them, then it's necessary for all of them that they save themselves, that they save himself from them. So once he shouted, he just shouted to the other sheep because of that lion attack on him. So he just ran for save himself, for save his life. He ran fast as as possible, and just shouted for himself that please forgive me, I am not going to die now, I am not going to die now. Accidentally, the real lion of the jungle just see himself that into the flock of the sheep a lion of the jungle is running. So he just chasing him. The real lion of the jungle is just chasing those lion that is in among the flock of the sheep. So when he caught him, when the real lion of the jungle is caught the lion in a flock sheep, he just caught him and said to him, "Why are you running?" So because he shouted that please don't eat me, please mercy on me, I am just younger, please don't mercy me. But he dragged himself and reached towards the lake. And when he just show himself that what is your real face, that how you become, for what you are become, and he realized himself that you are not to become a prey for others, because you are a predator, and you are become a predator to prey on others. You are not himself to be prey for others. Okay, so when he realized his inner powers, that how he became, for what he became, and when he rovered for once, he just realized himself that he was a lion from his birth. So according to ourselves, this is the same formula. If we apply in our life, the same thing is happening with us, because we are spent too much time ourselves with the flocks that are not going to be a higher achiever, that they are always talk like a less cheap and always less expensive things, because they are always just discuss of failures until they are discuss of success things. And we are also listen to this, all of them, and just unconsciously we adopt this environment. But actually we are a lion. We have so much credibility, we are so much powerful, we have nothing, there is anything that can stop us from achieving anything. But if we realize ourselves, if we realize our inner powers, then no can stop us for achieving anything in our life. So be awake your inner self, awake your inner lion in yourself, and to be a powerful, be a positive, be a optimistic, and just spend your life as a lion, not to be spend your life as a sheep. Because if you are born in among the flock of sheep, then you must change your environment, must realize your inner powers, and must rover like a lion, and act like a lion, and prey like a lion, and become a predator like a lion. God bless you.